Сәлем салам достар, сіздермен бірге мен Майк Миллер. Бүгінгі ойында біз Minecraft Story модты ойнайтын боламыз, яғни Minecraft оқиғалары. Бұл біздің ең алғашқы көзқарас, ең алғашқы летсплей десек те болады бұл ойынға. Бізде сразу бірінші эпизодқа еттік. Мен адам таңдап қойған болатын. Кеттік, бастайық достар. Мен сіздерге бұл бөлімде кішкентай жасылайық. Мен бәрі орысша біледі деп ойлаймын.
With each passing year, more and more details are lost until all that remains are myths, half-truths. To put it simply, lies. And yet, in all the known universe, between here and the far lands, the legend of the Order of the Stone endures, unabridged as self-evident fact. Indeed, it is only a troubled land that has need for heroes.
Достар, мен айта кетейін, мен бұл ойында сіздерге озвучкасы отырмай-ақ қойын. Сіздер ойлаймын орысша түсінетін шығар деп, себебі бәрі сауатты адамдар, менің подписчиктерім. Егер де мысалы озвучкасы десеңіздер, маған айтыңыздар келесі видеода, осының келесі летсплейінде мен аударып отыратын боламын. Бүгін үстімізде тихий, кішкене жай сөйлейтін боламын, себебі қазір сағат түнгі 2 мен летсплей түсіріп жатырмын. Жалғастырамыз онда. Тыңдайық.
And ours was fortunate to have, so long ago, 4 heroes such as these. Gabriel the warrior, before whose sword all combatants
Rambo,
the redstone engineer, whose machines would spark an era of invention. Magnus the rogue, who channeled his destructive creativity for the benefit of all. And Soren, the architect, builder of the world and leader of the Order of the Stone. These 4 friends together would do so much to gain their rightful place as 4 heroes. Their greatest quest would take them on a dangerous journey to fight a mysterious creature known as the Ender Dragon. In the end, the Order of the Stone emerged victorious, and the dragon was defeated. Their story complete, they slipped away into the pages of legend.
Жить в легендах, легенда сындар.
But when one story ends, another one begins.
Бір история өткеннен келесі история бастады.
Would you rather fight 100 chicken-sized zombies or 10 zombie-sized chickens? Just to be clear, you wouldn't have any weapons or armor, so you'd have to fight them with your hands.
Что дейінші қайтадан?
Huh?
What?
It's just a dumb question. Get it? So, I've got a daylight sensor on the roof. And if I did this right, these lamps should turn on once it gets dark. I didn't want to just leave Ruben here with nothing while we're at the building competition.
He's coming with us.
Really?
Серьезно?
What kind of question is that? Of course he is.
Okay, I'm not saying he shouldn't come. I'm not. But don't you think it's a little weird that you take him with you everywhere you go? He kind of makes us look like, I don't know, amateurs.
Ruben's my best friend.
I thought I was your best friend.
Both of you are.
I didn't mean anything by it. I'm glad he's coming. I just don't want to give people one more reason to call us losers. I'm getting tired of it. I'm tired of being a laughingstock.
Embrace being a loser, Olivia. And if you do that, you can be whatever you want to be.
What if I want to be a winner?
I'll accept that. Anything else, though?
All right. Fine.
You hear that?
Слышь.
Oh, no.
Папа, ты мистер.
Boom!
Man, you guys totally freaked out. That was
Axel, what's the matter with you?
Great. Now I'm gonna smell like a pig in Endercon.
I thought we were buddies.
Классная
Cool
маска.
mask.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, very convincing.
Бұл жерде мен ойлауымша сөйлеу манерың дұрыс болу керек сияқты. Сонда бәрінің есіне қалып қояды сен сөйлегенде.
Of course I did. I even brought something for the little guy.
Nice.
You brought Ruben a disguise?
We're going to a convention.
Опа.
Somebody's got to wear a
Мен
costume.
Шошқамды дракон қылып тастады.
It looks ridiculous. The Ender Dragon was a huge dragon, not a pig.
It's a costume, Jesse. The whole point is to look ridiculous.
You definitely brought the fireworks, right?
Yes, I'm ready. Waiting on you guys.
If he was really your best friend, you wouldn't let him go outside dressed like that.
The only thing more dangerous than putting a costume on a pig is trying to take it off.
Hurry up and grab your stuff.
We'll meet you downstairs, okay?
Окей. Опа, инвентарь. Былай қозғалып WASD. Қозғалысымыз мынау ашатын сол баяғы мышка.
Shears.
Ветишь вид.
Never know when I might need to shear some sheep.
Ножницы оркен.
One of these days, we're gonna win.
Выиграем в строительном конкурсе Крайкона. Производители люди смотрят на нас, говорят: эй, вон идет Джесси с Рубеном. Видите, строительство конкурса Крайкона. На самом деле нужно поменять... знамя надо. Габриэл воин думает, мы никогда не станем знаменитым. Возможно. Коллекция плакатов. Басқа. Мына жерде тағы бір сундук бар, ішіне не бар екен, қарап жүрейік. Кристалл слишком много кеттік. Люк. Рубен, как ветер. Взглянуть керем.
Give me a dragon roar, Ruben. That'll do, Ruben. That'll do.
Надо қарап кетейік сонда.
I got this stand as a gift, but I don't have any armor to
Подарок,
put on.
у меня доспехов, чтобы ее повесить. Может, кеттік. Люктен тик. Қайда на дракон.
That's everything.
Let's roll.
Yeah, dude. Roll.
Let's go.
I heard a pretty juicy rumor about the building competition, but you guys have to promise not to say anything.
Okay.
Ладно.
Also, it's in 2 parts. Each part more exciting than the last.
Spit it out, Axel.
Part 1, the special guest at this year's EnterCon is none other than Gabriel the Warrior him freaking self.
Whoa, what's part 2?
Part 2, according to my sources, the winner of the building competition is going to get to meet us. It doesn't mean anything if we lose. But if we win, oh man, this would make up for all the losing.
О,
Gabriel would be a dream and an honor.
Totally. He's awesome. It'd be amazing to meet him.
Ruben better be careful in that costume. The last time Gabriel saw a dragon, didn't end well.
Сол
So,
легенда
does
такого.
this source of yours make posters for a living?
Источник. Что? О.
Yeah, my source doesn't exist. You guys are my only friends.
Guys, let's stay focused. We have a competition to win.
Бұл
We never
конкурске
win. And this year we've got Ruben with us.
концентрация.
We basically have no chance.
Абсолютно.
We're going to win because...
What are you talking about?
Because up to now, we've hated losing.
Проигрывать, но
Today, my friends,
сегодня,
we're gonna
друзья
start
мои,
learning
сегодня мы будем учиться любить, побеждать на слово. У меня получается не так гладко, как в голове.
No, I'm with that.
Согласен.
All right.
Хорошо, all right.
Wait a minute.
Жақсы.
We're thinking about this all wrong.
Тоқтаңыз.
The point of the building competition isn't just to build something. We have to do something to get noticed by the judges.
Okay then. So how do we do this?
We don't just build something functional. We build something fun. after we finish the fireworks machine like we planned, then we build something cool on top of it.
You might be onto something.
If we want to get a reaction out of the judges, you build something scary. So I build a creeper.
Wouldn't an Enderman be better? I'm more scared of Endermen than creepers.
Both have their moments.
Может,
Both
зомби
pretty scary.
строили края. Это
Then
круто. Давайте
again, you
посмотрим.
scared the crap out of us with a
может,
creeper today.
А
All
посмотрим.
right, let's build the creeper.
Крипер
You're going
Харегал.
with Axel's idea?
What's wrong with my idea?
Nothing. It could be totally cool.
It is cool.
Yeah. I think this is the first time we've decided on something before getting to the competition.
Я нам
Think we've got everything we
крипер
need?
жасать
It
жанымыз.
wouldn't hurt to grab a little more.
Let's get to grabbing then.
We're so prepared. We can't lose. Cannot. Bring it
Біз
in.
ұтылмаймыз никак. Давай.
Dare to prepare on 3. No. Preparing is daring. No, that's the same thing. Forget it.
Бір,
Team on 3. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3, кеттік.
Team.
Кейін. О, кеттік. Позитивчик. Арттарынан жүгірсек бізде. Опа, үші үш жаққа. О, Майк Тайсон. Таңғалып тұр. Опа, қараңыз. Қандай әжеманы. Габриэль. Мына қараңыздар. Қалай енді жұмыстан отыр. Опа. Q. Верный друг тұр енді үстінде. Үлгерді. Не деген әдепсіздік. Апайларың үйретпеген бе? Опа, пресс бәрін качать етіп отыр. Шақты. Шым қорқып отыр, давай. Ау, артына тұрған учительдер ұқсап тұр. Опа. Бұлар толық сенімді конкурс жеңетіндеріне.
We've got all the stuff for it. We are so ready.
This year, it's going to be different. I'm not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Simple зато ойнап отыр.
Nice pig, losers.
Біреу подыр свинья неудачник.
Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry continues.
Олар аналардың конкуренттері
Got
біз
matching
айтқанда
leather jackets and everything.
өздерінің
Oh, cool.
айтқанда кожаный курткамен жүреді екен.
If it isn't the order of the
Орден
losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers. Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Таңертең сабақ имя. Аксел.
How do you do?
No, your team name.
Имя команды. Имя команды.
We are not ready for this.
Мы монет
So much for
мира.
losing anonymously.
Орден свиньи боламыз.
No name?
No names?
Huh?
Got it.
Great.
What the
Okay, no names. You guys are in booth 5.
Ёпта. Мен бас үлгермей қалдым. Бас үлгермей қалдым өкінішке орай. Стенд, сундуктарды қарайық. Мүмкін бар шығар. Терезаттар. Жоқ. Ана жаңа кожаный курткамен жүрген ублюдоктар сияқтылар бәрін алып кетеді. Бар іштері пісіп жүрген бірдемер. Қазір мен қайқа етіп қойып стенд.
Man, it's crowded.
Былай қарауға қоймын керінше.
It's like everyone in town is here.
Здесь город собрался. Кеттік. Мына жерде ештеңе жоқ. Бірінші стенд. Жарайды, не қарай барайық. Қазір. 4-ші стенд. What the fuck? 5-ші стенд.
Is that a freaking beacon?
Маяк
A
мне.
freaking beacon?
Маяк.
Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon.
Радужный.
We're gonna lose.
Our design is better. Creeper that shoots fireworks is cooler than a fancy light.
Their difficulty score is going to be higher than our total score.
We've got something they don't. Fireworks.
We should probably stop staring at them.
Ха-ха, гляньте,
Look, it's the order of the losers again.
Good one,
Борода,
Gil.
кыз,
We're just
ортасына, как
looking.
всегда,
There'll be
бір
plenty of
злобный
time for
брюжик
you all to
бәрін
look
бастайды.
at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink.
Ох, біздің
I'm talking
дракондар.
about your pig. I'm saying he's food.
Урод.
Shut up.
Жамой.
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I don't know. Maybe.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys,
Hey, Petra.
how's the build going?
Петра.
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that nether star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a
You
problem.
help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where to find you.
Exactly.
Вот демон.
No hard feelings, guys. If you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and, you know, make this about how cool our builds are?
Опа.
May the best team win.
Careful what you wish for.
We'll see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon
Послание жатыр.
building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet in person Gabriel the Warrior.
Gabriel воин. Оцелоты. Оп, мягко кам тут отыр.
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the
Удар.
griefer
О,
grab.
беспредельщиктердің хваткасы.
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can
Мы
do this.
справимся.
Just stick to the plan and
Бәрі
everything will be
нормально.
fine. We may not have a name, but still, this year, we can't lose.
Қорқпау керек, главное. Бізде
Let's
дракон
do
бар,
it.
себебі кеттік.
Building starts
Опа.
now.
Біздің джигалар кеттік. Опа, жүгіреміз сразу. Кю. Опа.
Oh no!
Да,
The
да.
fireworks dispenser! I'm so scared.
Мынандай
You
действительно
worry about
надо
your
было.
build, and we'll worry about ours.
Опа, кеттік. Крипер. Бәрін істеп жатқандар енді. Совсем.
Now, the moment of truth.
Опа, момент истины.
Here goes nothing.
Oh man, that looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
The creeper was definitely the right way to go.
Выбором. Опа, бәрі бізге еләтір сеуі.
Guys, people are looking
Бізге
at
сразу
us.
түседі.
Good build, man! What? No way.
Опа.
It's just a
Well,
bunch of
they
dyed wool. Whoops.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
Опа, бұлар.
The lava's getting closer.
Ruin the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
But our build is about to go up in flames.
We've gotta get Ruben.
Кеттік көз одан досымыз деген жақсы себебі. Бұндай жұмыс. Себебі достар айтайын.
We're right
Достық
behind
маңызды
you.
бәрінен гөрі. Конкурсты бәрі де жайнаған. бәрі енді по-любому өртеніп кетейін деп тұр. Себебі достар достық маңызды. Сол үшін біз достарымызды іздеу көреміз.
He could have gone anywhere, and this part of the woods is huge.
We stand a better chance of finding him if we split up.
If either of you get lost, just use the lights from Endercon to make your way back to town. Got it?
Got it.
Бірақ досымыз дегенімізде жақсы отты, Рубен.
Where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me.
Ешкім жоқ. Рубен қайда екен? Стейк оп, іздеді.
Pig tracks.
Осы жерлерде өткен жалпы.
Ruben, I don't want to be out here in the dark. Ruben, where are you, buddy? I hear some pigs. These definitely belong to a pig. No way Ruben made
Аяқ
it.
іздер жатыр, кеттік. Ана жерде морковка бар.
Hey Ruben, I got a carrot for you. Where are you, buddy?
Қазір біз оны былай табамыз. Морковка. Опа.
Ruben, are you in there? Stupid pigs. Ruben! No, not you, but pigs! Hey, all pigs but Ruben, shut up!
Вообще, Рубен, қайдасың, а? Адам өйшісі іздетіп.
Ruben? Ruben, come here, boy!
Кустарниктен артынан көрейік. Опа, what the fuck. Адам шықты. Уф. Жарайды, кеттік біз. Әлде іздестіреміз. Қараңға қалдық әбден.
Ruben, it's getting scary out here.
Тлеющий костюм.
Ruben.
Опа, Рубеннің костюмы.
Ruben! Oh no, you in there, buddy? Oh, jeez, please don't be toasted, Ruben.
Сөндірек қотты. Енді қайтадан іздейміз тағы да. Рубен сөйтіп бүйтіп қойттен да. Мен ашық жермен барғаным жақсы сияқты себебі жақтың ішіне кірсең ке. Опа, суды өзімізге шүтеміз. Я, Рубен қайда екен? Біреу бар. Шөптің арасында. Тек Рубен шықса екен. Рубен шыға ғой.
Ruben, there you are. Hey, buddy, you want a carrot?
Кам дос деседі.
Let's get out of here, Ruben. Hope you're ready for some more walking. We gotta hurry back to town if we don't want to run into...
Опа. Түн. Зомбилер шығып жатыр.
Ruben, run!
Қашамыз.
I think we're good.
керек.
I think we made it.
Опа, скелет. What? Мен үлгермей қалдым. Қазір дайын отырамын енді. Да ну.
Get back! Stay behind me. I got you.
Орт кіргізбей отырсамыз. Жақындасаңдар кеттіңдер. Екеуін қайсың бірінші? Жақындағанды қолатам. Осындай қыл жоқ. Оқысында қашуымыз керек.
Stupid wooden swords.
Секір қашып кетуге де.
I know it's bad. I'll think of something. You're gonna have to make a run for it, okay? I'll meet you back in town, I promise. Get out of here now! Get off me!
Ойына поп жағынан жүреміз. Көп ашын Опа.
Come on, let's get out of the open.
Бізге көмектесіп қалды. Дұрыс айтпасам аты Клара дейма.
I want to show you something.
Not that this isn't a really cool, dimly lit tunnel, but how far away is this thing you want to show me?
Careful, Jesse. You don't want to get a reputation as a wizard.
This isn't my first time in a cave, Petra.
Yeah, but have you ever seen a wither skull?
Whoa!
Fresh from the nether. You're the first person I've showed it to. So, you better appreciate this.
You risked your life for that dusty old skull?
Oh, I risked my life for the thing I'm gonna exchange for that dusty old skull.
Yeah.
There's this guy I'm meeting up with at EnderCon. He's gonna trade me a diamond for it.
Brilliant.
Being the resident go-getter pays off every once in a while. Literally.
Why didn't he just go get the skull himself?
He's not the kind of guy who has time to do something like that.
What kind of guy is he then?
The kind who understands the value of hard work.
Wow.
Wow, what?
In a single day, you went to the nether, you killed a wither skeleton. I mean, I did build a super cool statue, but still. It's pretty sweet being you, huh?
You know, you could come with me. I mean, if you're too nervous, I totally get it. But I wouldn't mind a little backup.
I'd be honored to be your backup.
Don't have to make such a big deal out of it. I just said...
You could come with me. I know. I was there. It was amazing.
Kinda starting to have second thoughts here.
You just keep a crafting table down here?
You're stuck.
Comes in handy. Since that wooden sword of yours got busted...
You're giving me a new one?
Even better. You can make your own. One stick plus 2 stones equals 1 sword. Just grab what you need.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Hey, is all this stuff yours?
No, we're just stealing from whoever was dumb enough to leave this here. Of course it's mine.
Just making sure. Oh, here we go. Jackpot.
Just place the pieces on the table. See? Isn't it better when you make it yourself?
Жақынға дейін ек көлтік бірақ енді жақындарда серверлерден жүргеннен кейін ұмыттық қой почти. Верстак қолдануды
Check it out. EnderCon's all lit up.
кейбір қателіктер болып жатуы да мүмкін.
Looks like Lucas and his ocelots won again.
Sorry, Jesse. But you've got to admit, that beacon does look pretty sweet.
Yeah. I just wanted this to be the year we finally beat that jerk.
You know, Lucas may be kind of arrogant, but he has come through for me in tricky situations. You might want to get to know him, just in case. He's good at building, that's for sure. It's always useful to have a guy like that around, no matter what you might think of him personally.
Yeah, you might be right.
I'm just saying, if you run into him at EnderCon, try talking to him.
I don't need a lecture on the power of collaboration, Petra.
How about a lecture on the power of my fists? It's short, but deadly.
Come on, let's hurry.
Remember what EnderCon was like before it was cool?
Remember what we were like before we were cool?
Some of us will never be cool.
Ha.
dia. Opa.
Creepers!
Crap. Мосттың ортасына қалып қойдық, прикинь. Петра, не істейміз ай?
This doesn't look good.
Енді бізде тек жалғыз аман теңізде секіру сияқты.
Well, there's only one way off this bridge. Whatever we do it together.
Прыгаем.
All right, let's jump.
Қандай прыжок, а? Представляет Telltale Game совместно с модом Minecraft Story Mod. Бәрі басталып жатыр. Өтіп жатыр. Режиссер Денис. Екеуі ауада кәдімгідей қасында крембер кетіп жатыр. Сразу ауыздан ұрт. Мынадан ұрт сразу. Сразу кетті. Опа. Қазір теңізге. Шапалақтан ұрып бәрін. Ауада.
Burns, it burns!
Don't you know? You dive into the water. You don't land on top of it. Pull yourself together and follow me.
Артынан ереміз.
Just let me know if you see Ruben anywhere.
Ал достар, біз осылай бірінші летсплейіміз бітіреміз, достар. Осы видеоның астына 100 лайк жинайық. 100 лайктан кейін осы Minecraft Story модтың келесі бөлім шығатын болады. Каналға ең алғаш келсең, онда тіркел. Сау болыңыздар достар. Сіздермен бірге болған мен Майк Миллер. Келесі кездескенше.